Gotta do this over again. The video was flawed. The microphone was on the floor. Anyway, so you add an emitter, nothing much to it, and you add a particle scan under add displacement, and you calculate it. After calculated, what you do is particle scan and then go for not particle fix but Motion Designer MDD, and you save that out, create an LWO. So just save that somewhere. It will save both MDD and an LWO. So you might get into problems if you want to import LWO to Blender. So what you do is you export it. I did try FBX exporting, but it didn't really hold up. I got errors, so I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, exporting it to an OBJ works. So this is 484 points, and you'll export that to an OBJ and then import it in Blender. So that should create this kind of particle animation. Let me just show you what I did. First of all, of course, you add the MDD reader, which is just search for MDD and add it under add-ons. And we'll import that OBJ. That's important. The FBX didn't work. It was flawed, so we'll go for OBJ. And here we got the file, import it. Doesn't look like much. Click here and add the modifier mesh cache, in other words MDD, and load the MDD file. So let's go to d colon where I started, 94 MDD. Accept that, and we're ready to rock.